G'day guys, today is going to be a product review on the Maruyama. Now the benefits of this machine is that it's nice and light, powerful, and that's very important, especially if you're using your trimmer all day long, especially in our business. The trick is you get something that's nice and light, because if you want something, you're going to have something heavy, well, you're waving it around all day long, it's going to kill you. So you get something nice and light and powerful. Maruyama does the job. It's pretty good. Now the benefits of this machine, like I said before, nice and light, powerful, and the Speedfeed head. This is really unbelievable. That steel there, that's amazing. That's prolonged the life of the head, the Speedfeed head. When you talk about this compared to the original Speedfeed head that you can buy and you can attach to anything else, this has lasted a whole season for us here in Australia. Our season's been extended another 2 months, so it's pretty good. So it's a lot longer than usually lasting Speedfeed heads. Now, in the previous videos that I've had, there was no information whatsoever about how to put the line trimmer cord into the Speedfeed head. All it said in the instructions is to push in here and take the whole thing apart and push it in and wrap it around, all this type of stuff, which to me, that is not a Speedfeed head. That's not speed feeding, that's slow feeding. So I found from an external source, see that little arrow? All right, if it's like this and you try to put the line in there, it won't come out the other end. So what you got to do, you got to get that little arrow and put it right in front of, line it up with one of those. And straight away, I'll put it in. It's the other way, I think. There we go. And it goes straight through. There it is, going straight through. And once you get it all through, I mean, I've got a small piece of line here, but it's not long enough. So anyway, you get the idea. And all you have to do is just click, and there's your Speedfeed. That's it. So that's the instructions that are not in the actual diagrams when you buy the Maruyama. So make sure that arrow is in line with the spool and your Bob's your uncle. So there you go guys, Maruyama. It's probably one of the best trimmers I've owned. Put it this way, this has had a lot of wear and tear. As I said before, I've used it all season and a bit, and to tell you the truth, I really haven't done much of a service. I think what we've done is we've not even changed the spark plug. The air filter's been cleaned, that's basically it. So I know it's my fault, but I've been so busy and kept on saying to myself, I'll get around it, I'll get around to it, I'll get around to it, but I haven't given it a service, and it's lasted way over, easy to 6 or 8 months, something like that, maybe even more. But it gives you an indication of the Japanese of really coming out with some good quality stuff. So there you go guys, that's the product review for the Maruyama. Cheers.